By the end of this video, you'll learn the two common resume writing mistakes healthcare workers make all the time. Mistake number one, placing too much value on the name of a previous hospital. All these hospitals have great name recognition. Mayo Hospital, for example, is world-renowned and employs only high-caliber healthcare workers. When a manager sees this listed on your resume, it catches their attention. However, there are over 2,000 hospitals in the United States. If you didn't work at a prestigious hospital, then when a manager sees your resume with the name St. This or so-and-so Medical Center, it means nothing to them. They have no idea how busy your previous department was or how difficult working conditions there were. The simple answer? Make sure to list every applicable previous place of employment. Who knows? A hiring manager may be thumbing through resumes, and one of your previous facilities might stand out to him or her. You could score an interview simply because you and the hiring manager both worked at the same facility in the past. Just don't depend on name recognition to help you stand out. These are examples of job duties listed on real healthcare workers' resumes. These are great skills needed by every healthcare worker, but are far too generic. Every applicant can perform medical asepsis. It's a waste of precious space on your resume. By listing generic job duties and skills, you'll be overlooked. Managers want job competency and experience. If you don't have a lot or any experience, don't worry. I'll get to that later. Underneath each previous work experience, list 2 to 3 job duties that demonstrate competency in your field. List duties you performed that were above and beyond regular job requirements. Every one of these job duties says to a job manager, I know what is important in my field and I get it. All of those job duties really set you apart from other applicants. A hiring manager will want to know more about you. If you're staring at your computer screen and wondering what you can do to make your resume really stand out, don't worry, here are a couple ideas for you. As a great employee, which I'm sure you are, you're constantly doing more than is required of you. When you do something unique or above and beyond the norm, write it down in a journal. It's very easy to forget these types of actions after a week or two. However, if you write them down, as time goes by, you'll have dozens of worthwhile experiences to list on your resume. Hospitals love to talk about how great they are. Every hospital or clinic specializes in something. If you're not sure what your previous place of employment specialty was, check their website. Then simply list that specialty on your resume. Bam! If you have the time and are in the process of building a solid resume, ask for more responsibilities at your current job. Your supervisor will happily give you more work. You can then list the extra responsibility on your resume. It's an easy way to add worthwhile responsibilities to your resume and become a valuable employee at the same time. Technology has affected all areas of healthcare. As we move closer to every hospital and clinic, having electronic medical records, computer, and technology skills are of the utmost importance. If there's something you've learned concerning technology that is unique, list it. If there's a special type of equipment you possess a certification in, list it. If you have experience with PowerChart or Metatech, list it. Hopefully you now have some great ideas. You can avoid these two common mistakes. However, managers want competency and experience. Use your resume to demonstrate that you possess all the skills needed to do the job, and you should have no problem securing an interview. My name is Chris McClure. I'm a healthcare career coach with over 14 years of healthcare experience. I've worked in over a dozen different hospitals and clinics, either as full-time employees or as a temp. I've spent years perfecting my resume, finding out what works and what doesn't. I know what gets a manager's attention and what will get your resume thrown in the garbage. I can teach you too. Need help with your resume or any aspect of the job hunting process? Go to Guaranteed Healthcare Job in 30 Days. The link is listed below in the About section. Download a copy of my book, Your Job Search is Over, Resume Building and Interview Prep in a Healthcare World. This ebook is a step-by-step guide filled to the brim with all my years of experience in healthcare job hunting. In it, I share all my secrets and proven strategies to getting you the job you want even in highly competitive fields. I wish I would have had all this information years ago. Don't submit another application without reading it. Thank you for watching my video.